So you're like, well, wait a minute, Bill, you said you didn't like Bitcoin that much. How come you like Near? Well, there's been a tendency in crypto that even when the market is down or sideways, that there's always one coin that goes up, right? First it was Solana back in the day, then it was Avalanche, then it was Thorchain. And we think Near is next.
Well, let's go ahead and shift over to challenge number 2, and that is, I'm going to do it right. Show me the money. All right. So buy something, that is going to go up in the crypto market. And so what we're going to do is we're going to pass this back over to, let's go to Mehdi and Bill and let you guys have a chance to shoot this one first. Go ahead and tell us what is the crypto that you're going to buy, because that's what it is, buy.
Yeah. So one of the event-driven strategy, I think Bill will also agree with this, is Near protocol. In my opinion, lately it has been on a tear. If you see the chart, it's just has become decorrelated with the crypto market, and there is good reasons for that. So I'm going to quickly share my screen and
Sure.
show you guys exactly what's going on with Near protocol, what it is actually, and why we are bullish on it. And then Bill can help us with the technical setup to kind of show us at what levels we should buy. So this chart basically shows Aurora TVL. So Aurora is an EVM platform built on Near. So anything that is built on Ethereum can be copy pasted in Near protocol, and developers can deploy that. So what this chart shows you is that the total value locked in Near via Aurora network has been growing, and at the moment it's around 900 million. So last 5-6 days the TVL has basically started to rise exponentially. I would even say the last 1 month it has doubled, while TVL and other chains have gone down. And on top of that, investors have started to invest. They also had ecosystem funding. So that to me is a bullish sign for Near. The most important thing is the rumors of USN. So USN will basically turn Near into Terra Luna. So at the moment, Near is around 16 to 17 in terms of market cap, and Terra Luna is around between like 7 to 9 in terms of market cap. But with USN being introduced, Near protocol will have a stable coin of its own. And because of that, Near at the moment seems very undervalued. Because if that is introduced, then it means it should be higher in terms of market cap. So you have EVM compatibility. That means Ethereum can come to Near. Then you also have this USN thing. And then it also has few projects that allow Polkadot projects to migrate to the chain, and they also has this unique thing called dynamic sharding, which even Ethereum doesn't have. So for me, Near is something which Ethereum is striving to become in Ethereum 2.0, and Near is something that has executed that at the moment. The execution is there. So because of these two catalysts, I'm very bullish on Near, and I think market is also guiding us. Market is through the price action also showing that all of these catalysts are being priced in. So I will buy the rumor of USN. Now this is not a rumor. Like if you go on GitHub, the smart contract is already there to be audited. So I'm pretty confident this rumor will turn out to be a fact. So in this case, for me, it's a buy the rumor kind of a play.
Okay, well, if it's buy the rumor, what does the technical tell us, Bill?
Okay, so let's talk about Near. All right. So one of the things that Tokenmetrics does is, you can type in a symbol and look at all kinds of different indicators made by, machine learning and artificial intelligence. So this is a momentum model, right? Green for buy, red for sell. And one of the things that's interesting about Near is that Near went green like way back, like mid-March. And I know you guys trade and you've watched this market whip up, whip down, whip up, whip down. Near is one of the few coins that have actually gone green, and it's actually gone up. And when it consolidates, it sort of moves sideways, right? So it's really interesting. And then, to sort of dive into the more granular aspect of it, we have like a rating system, kind of like Morningstar, if anybody remembers that. So on a monthly basis, Near ranks 81. Anything above 80 is a pretty good trend. So Mehdi has this solid fundamental case. Okay, now if we go over to near, okay, on like a 90-minute chart, right? What are we looking at? Well, we're looking at this huge consolidation that it's done, right? And to me, it feels like a base. It feels like a base. Now it's trying to break out at the top. So here on the trading battle, right? It's like, we got to trade. What are you going to do? Well, believe it or not, we're going to go with the trend. We're going to say, all right, we're going to buy near right around 17 and a half. Because if we look at some of our daily chart work, okay, we think near can go back to 20. Okay, so here is near, the resistance is at 2018. Now, the other thing we want to just add is, so you're like, well, wait a minute, Bill, you said you didn't like Bitcoin that much. How come you like near? Well, there's been a tendency in crypto that even when the market is down or sideways, that there's always one coin that goes up, right? First, it was Solana back in the day. Then it was Avalanche. Then it was Thorchain. And we think near is next. So that's how we're playing it. We're actually going to play it long near and short ETH against it. We can talk more about that later if you want.
Okay, good. Well, that's good. There's a lot of information that you guys are giving us. So you're taking on a trade right now on a buy and expecting a break of that resistance, despite of that shooting star that you've seen there at resistance. You feel like it's still going to break through there, and it's also based on the Tokenmetrics software that's indicated a buy already on that crypto, right?
Right. I mean, we're doing the trend is your friend. For the shooting star, we're saying, all right, well, sometimes crypto breaks out and comes back all in the same candle. They do the breakout and the retest all at once. So fingers crossed on that. Trend is your friend. And like I said, Mehdi has been talking about near since it was at like 7. So, we're gonna go with, and I think if you're out there and you're trying to like figure out like, God, how do I trade? Well, if you can come up with one indicator, whether it's fundamental or technical, and have that confirmed by something else, right? Then that enhances the power of your decision making.
Yep, absolutely. All right, cool. All right, good. Now, you're not afraid because you said the trend is your friend, but yet you're in consolidation. So are we trending or we are range bound?
All right, good question. So the uptrend in near, I think, is intact. And what's gone on lately is that sideways action that I showed, that's a consolidation to move up. So near might be doing like a stair step higher.
Okay. All right. Good. Well, that's why you guys are the elites in Tokenmetrics, because this is the type of courage that you guys have trading through resistance with a buy.